I just made a brand new channel with 0 subscribers, and I also just got the keys to my brand new apartment. I have nothing. I really have nothing. Well, regardless, I'm gonna be spending the next 10 days of my life doing everything I can to grow this brand new channel to 100,000 subscribers, and I'm gonna take you along for the ride. Now, the only rule of this challenge is that I can't show my face or my voice on the brand new channel, so I have to make a secret identity. Introducing Buster! Look at this guy go. Buster. First order of business, make the profile picture. Okay, alright, whoa, yeah, strut that. Right there. Alright guys, there it is, the best profile picture for the best channel in the whole world right there.
So all he did was get a mask, put it on.
Buster might be the coolest guy in the whole planet. I think I'm convinced. All right, now that that's done, let's make him an introduction video. Here goes nothing. Hi, I'm Buster, and I need your help. So another thing that's a problem is I have to disguise my voice too. So I gotta find a voice that would match someone called Buster. Let's see what we got here.
Let's work together, and we can take your project to the next level.
Does not sound like Buster to me.
The most important part of a project is this.
Now that sounds like someone built like Buster. Let's do this.
Hi, I'm Buster.
That's so good. He sounds like a cartoon character. Alright guys, the video is done and I'm gonna post it. The first video on Buster's channel. I'm gonna type
Hotboxing me.
title it, I need your...
Hi, I'm Buster, and I need your help. I was just born approximately 15 minutes ago, and ever since then I...
It's recording? Okay. Greetings. I bet you're wondering what all this stuff is, aren't you? Well, this, my friend, is where you will be spending pretty much all of your time for these next 10 days. If you look to your left... Nope, your other left. Oh my, great, this guy's an idiot. This is gonna be awesome. On your left, you will see what looks to be a gumball machine. Don't get too excited, this does not have gum in it. I like to call this the niche machine. This thing is stuffed with balls, and inside of each of these balls is a piece of paper with a niche written on it. Do you even know what a niche is? Nah, probably not. Basically, if you open a ball with a piece of paper that says cooking, you'll have to make a cooking video and post it on Buster's channel. Now, the screen that you're watching me on is not just any old screen. It's actually somewhat of a store. Here, take a look. You can scroll through here and pick anything you want. A bed, a desk, a chair, everything you need to survive this place. Whoa, not so fast. Nothing in life is free. Buster's subscriber count also functions as currency, used to buy objects from the store. If you want to buy a bed, you gotta save up 150 subscribers. And right now, it's not looking like you're gonna be sleeping on a bed tonight. Buster is still at 0 subscribers, as you can see by the counter on the wall. Right next to that counter is probably the most important thing in this room. This is a countdown clock, and as soon as this video ends, it will start counting down from 10 days. When this clock hits 0 days, 0 hours, 0 minutes, and 0 seconds, Buster will die. That's right. If you don't bring him to 100,000 subscribers, Buster's channel will be permanently deleted, and it will be all your fault.
Seems like the stakes are a little bit higher than I thought. Okay, well, here we are, I guess. Buster has 0 subscribers, so I can't buy anything from the store. No bed, no chair, no desk, not even a microphone, bro. How am I supposed to make content? So I guess we should get started making some videos, hopefully getting some subscribers, because I don't want to sleep on the floor. But the problem is I need to access the gumball machine, and I also don't have any quarters. So I guess I gotta make a surprise trip to the bank real quick, so
I have to wake up early.
I guess I'll do that.
No.
Can I get 1,000 quarters? Okay, here it is. We got the red one, matching the theme of everything in this room. Let's see what it is. I'm a little nervous. Brain rot. Of course, we gotta start with the brain rot. Yeah, let's go. I can do brain rot. That's that's actually not a bad place to start. I feel like brain rot videos get a lot of subscribers and views and stuff, so maybe this won't be so bad after all. I don't know. Buster's first videos are gonna be brain rot. It's such like a general term. Like, what even is brain rot? Like, what could I possibly do that would be considered brain rot?
This down here just looks like any old spot.
Save Buster. Spread the word. Hashtag save Buster. Post it everywhere. I don't even care. Hashtag save Buster. All right. Good night, guys.